welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is me Christina and I welcome you to my channel. Basically in today's video I am going to share my empties which I have right here in this big cardboard box. Yeah, and these are the products which I have used and I have emptied them up completely. So I wanted to just share with you all, should you buy these products? Like, do I regret buying them? If you want to know what are my thoughts on these empties and what are my empties, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first empty product which I have is this Kaya Refreshing Mattifying White, and it contains 30 whites to be specific, and this single pack retails for 120 bucks, but during the sale I got buy one get one free. I think the wipes are of good quality and it removes my makeup. Okay, so second product which I have is this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It removes makeup plus it cleanses and soothes, and it's that pink variant one and it's of 400 ml. It retails for 349 bucks. Okay, and I have completely used it off, as you all can see. What are my reviews on this? It is a good micellar water. I am currently using the yellow one of the same Garnier micellar water. This is good for removing your daily light makeup. This micellar water is good for removing this makeup, which is a very light makeup. By the way, this makeup tutorial will be up on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box, so you can check my description box out if you want to know how I created this look and also the empties details. So the third product, it has to be this Matrix Biolace Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. This is a 100 ml product and it retails for 295, and I absolutely love this hair serum, and I'm not raving much about this product because I've already raved about this product in my previous 2 to 3 videos, and yeah, I love this product. So I have already restocked upon this, and yeah, I definitely recommend you buying this. Okay, so the fourth product is this Nivea Deodorant Fresh Comfort Long Lasting Freshness in 48 hours protection Ocean, and the variant is Ocean Extracts, and it is of 150 ml of product and the price is 199, but I got it for 120 bucks. I still remember, the smell was so refreshing. I just love the smell and I will definitely buy this one once I just finish off my other deodorants and perfumes. This baby got emptied so fast. The smell is to die for and I love refreshing smell. And the next product which I have is this Good Vibes Rose Hip Clean Skin Clarifying Toner. You have seen me using this toner in so many videos. I love this toner and I am glad that I emptied this product. I was so happy to empty this baby right here. So yeah, this was the next product. Again, I have one more body spray. This is from Jovan, whatever. White Musk for women. Okay, and it is of 150 ml of product and the price is 200 bucks. And this is a very, I just need to buy another bottle of this. I love the scent of this, is so good. I need to restock upon this. I definitely love this Jovan White Mask deodorant. Yeah, I love it. And the next one is this Good Vibes Liquid Rice Face Serum. Now I have a complete review on them on my channel, and I love this serum so much that I've used 8 bottles of this Good Vibes serum, and yeah, I absolutely loved this particular liquidized variant a lot. So now next up I have 2 nail products. First one is this NY Bay nail remover. I had to mention this in my empties. Okay, this is very good. And the second one is this Swiss Beauty Platinum nail polish. Yeah, and it's in the shade 08. The last product which I have from makeup. Actually, it's from makeup, and it's this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I have finished this mascara. And I seriously love Maybelline mascaras, and I think Maybelline makes one of the best mascara, drugstore mascaras, obviously. So yeah, I loved this mascara very much, and I guess this was it for the video. I hope you all liked it and found this video interesting. And if you found this video interesting, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with your friends and family. And guys, I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, bye guys. Love you all. Stay at your home. Stay blessed. And yeah, bye.